Alright, I'm Taz. You should know these things by now. If not, then I'm gonna have to put the hurt on you. Okay. Anyway, so we're gonna start doing some Java today, and I'm gonna be using the NetBeans IDE for Java. You can use whatever you want, I really don't care. So let's just look at a few basics first. Things like imports. Well, imports, that's not a keyword. This is a reserved word. Things like java.awt.star, that means everything inside of AWT will be included because of this star. We can do this, or we can just do the one that we need, which is going to be the scanner today. So yours doesn't have to look like this. It can look like this. That's how my code is. You'll get used to it. So let's go ahead and instantiate our scanner. Alright. See, there's no red line under it, but if we comment this out, we're missing an import. And you can just right click, fix imports. But anyway, so we have this. What this does is it makes a scanner object and you name it scan. So that's how you're going to call it. You're going to do things like scan dot. And you're getting your data from system in, which is when you type stuff down in your output. So let's actually prompt for something now. System out print line. Enter us some text because you love us. Right, so now we're going to make a string. We're going to call that string S. You could stop here and then go S equals, but I don't see a point in that, so okay, now what this is going to do is when the user presses or types in some text and presses enter, it's going to get that text. It's going to get the text and it's going to make it a string, which we're going to put in string S. Alright, so now let's go ahead and put out what they put in. Another system out print line. Another form of this is this, and you can do that for a new line, but to each his own. And then we're going to put you entered. You need a plus sign because you're putting this string and you're going to be adding on this extra string. That's what they entered. So this is this. And that's what they entered. So let's run. Let me move this down a little bit. Move this up. Alright. This is this part right here. Right now we're fixing to enter in some information, so random information. Yes. Right. And this is what it tells us. It takes our text, prints it out here after the arrow, plus S. It does this, it gets the original string, and then it adds on our string after our last comment right here, which is empty space. So, this was the first video. Don't know when the next one's going to be, but I'll see you then.